My lord, in item 2, I want to make a mention. Item 2, on Uma Chakraborty, my lord, appearing on behalf of the respondent number 1 to 4, he made a request to our phone that matter may be adjourned for today because he has some difficulty, my lord.
Have you informed the petitioner?
Other side, I don't know, my lord, I did not
No, you
inform.
wait
Yes.
for the matter to be called up.
Additionally, the other side,
Just wait for the matter to be called up.
May I please your lordship?
Yes.
Yes, your lordship. The petitioner hearing your lordship is an NGO which is registered under Society Registration Act and
Where is the agreement?
yes,
Arbitration.
my lord, may be pleased to see page number 113, your lordship.
1-1.
113, annexure 6. And the relevant portion is at page number, your lordship,
Yes.
118. Lordship, clause number 56, your lordship. May I read your lordship?
Hmm.
In the event of any dispute arising out of the contract between the parties hereto, the same shall be referred to the sole arbitration of the state government or any officer appointed by the state government on its behalf. The proceedings held by the arbitration in making award will be in accordance with the provisions of the Indian Arbitration and Conciliation Act of 1996.
Where is the notice after that?
Yes, your lordship. Thereafter, the notice was sent. It is at page, your lordship. Before that, your lordship, a writ petition was filed before filing of the arbitration case, your lordship. That writ petition was for dismissed, your lordship. And that
Why was it
relevant,
filed?
yes, that order is at your lordship. 160, your lordship. And relevant paragraph is at your lordship. 167, your lordship. Last paragraph. While this honorable court dismissed the writ petition, your lordship, an
No,
observation was made, your lordship.
Why did you file the writ petition?
Lordship, because the notice was not sent to us, your lordship. The show cause notice before cancellation of our.
You challenged the cancellation.
Yes, your lordship. 167. Thereafter, your lordship, it was held in this order, your lordship, that arbitration clause is there, your lordship. So the time period is also excluded, and if arbitration clause is revoked, your lordship, that can be done, your lordship. Thereafter, we have issued the notice, your lordship, and arbitration petition was filed before your lordship. That was withdrawn with the liberty to file again, your lordship. And thereafter, we have issued the notice also, your lordship, at page 171, your lordship, annexure 22, your lordship.
Any reply?
We have not received any reply, your lordship, in this case. On the earlier occasion, when we have sent the notice, your lordship, we have not mentioned the amount. Our claim amount was not mentioned in that notice, your lordship. So we have withdrawn that earlier arbitration petition, and we have filed afresh, your lordship, with the liberty. This notice was issued, your lordship, on 21/2/2024, and till date we have not received any reply, your lordship, in this behalf.
Yes.
Lordship,
Mr. Fukan. Yes, Mr. Fukan.
I'm appealing for the department, lordship. The SSA also will be required in this matter. 59.
This is an application for appointment of an arbitrator. So you are representing whom?
Malo, I'm representing the elementary education.
Elementary is a party here.
Yes, your lordship. Elementary is a party, Malo, and the SSA also is a party, Malo. So, Mr. Naik,
Lordship, kindly see page 119, Lord.
119. Yes,
56.
56. Yeah.
Actually, 118. 118. Because there is a
118.
number, 118.
In my position, it is 119, Lordship.
There
All
was
right.
some objection regarding page.
Clause
1.
number
It
56.
is one.
Yes, clause number 56, Lordship.
Yes,
Arbitration.
yes.
That procedure is clearly mentioned there, Lordship. In the event of any dispute arising out of the contract between the parties, hereto, same shall be referred to the sole arbitration of the state government or any officer appointed by the state government on its behalf. The proceeding held by the arbitration in making award will be in accordance with the provisions of Indian Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996 or any statutory amendments thereof. The award of the arbitration shall be final and binding on the parties. So for appointment of arbitrator, Lordship, one application was filed.
Yes. Yes.
Page 172.
Hmm.
Thereafter, they approached the court, Lordship.
So in terms of the amendment brought to the act, I don't think state government would be able to appoint or act as an arbitrator in view of the judgment of the apex court.
That is the only issue, Lord.
So therefore, this application will issue notice, you file your reply,
Right.
objection, whatever you have heard. Mr.
Yes, completely, Your Lordship.
S. Sancheti, learned counsel for the petitioner, Mr. Uh,
No, no, I'm for one. If
When appears for,
respond number one,
why is respondent one necessary here?
because my lord, I think the elementary schools were.
No, but it's over a refinement of an article. All right. But appears for respondent one, Mr. Naik for respondent two. An application under section 11(6), filed with the petitioner, praying for an order for appointment of. In terms of clause number 56 of the agreement entered, agreement dated
Agreement dated, Your Lordship.
26.
26 October, 26/10/2018.
26/10/2018. Properly submitted that pursuant to the agreement entered by and between in respect of the execution of a contract under the midday meal scheme, Assam. Disputes had arisen between the parties, and the same having been not resolved mutually, the petitioner has taken recourse to clause 56 containing the arbitration clause for resolution of disputes. So earlier, the petitioner has approached this court to challenge the order of termination of the contract, which ultimately was dismissed by order dating. Where is the order?
Yes, Your Lordship. Order dated, Your Lordship, 26/6/2023 at page 160, Your Lordship.
1/6. Order dated 26/6/2023, passed in WPC 1620. Corner bench of this court, while dismissing the litigation, however, took note of clause 56 of the agreement slash MOU, which contains the arbitration clause, and it held that the dismissal or expedition shall not be a bar to the petitioner to invoke the arbitration clause. Pursuant thereto, notice as required under the Act of 2016 was issued by the petitioner on 27/7/2023, requesting the respondents to appoint an arbitrator. however, that not being done present. Arbitration will be filed, since the respondents are represented by the respective counsel, which is written in 4 weeks. The respondents are at liberty to file their affidavits/objections if so advised. Extra copies of the petition be furnished within a period of 1 week. Be furnished to the respective counsel within a period of 1 week. It's after
Thank you. Sir.
That is your lordship. This is also an application under section 11.
there is a request for an adjournment today.
My lord, on behalf of Uma Chakraborty, my lord, appearing on behalf of respondent number 1 and 4. My lord, she informed that she is not keeping well.
This issue is pending before the Supreme Court.
Issue is pending before the Supreme Court regarding GCC. Whether your lordship is well aware, now after the amendment of the arbitration, whether any officer from the railway, paid officer from the railway will be able to be a arbitrator. And lordship, the difficulty here is this, that in their agreement, if your lordship looks into page number 21, I'm not on merit because my colleague is not present today. There in 5.6, they have not named anybody. In case of any dispute, the matter shall be referred for an arbitrator, the sole arbitrator to be appointed by senior DCM, LMG, so and so. The sole arbitrator shall be an officer not below the rank of blank.
No, but if, in terms of the amendment in the Arbitration Act, this agreement will not, cannot be given effect.
Yes. Now the question is, lordship, whether GCC will prevail or the amendment, statutory amendment will prevail,
Here,
lordship.
heard Mr. A. Chatty Tanakam. Mr. Sikdar, Turner Council,
On behalf of Uma Chakraborty.
Peter Hapo, Turner Council of the railway, that he is available in court. That discussing appears for
Point number 5. IRCT.
appears by IRC. After a week,
Can your lordship fix the date? It's a matter pending from 2021.
will be listed by the registry.
Lordship. Deeply affected.